And and Bandits. Come on, Bandits, welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Just getting started here. We will try this right now. Ish. We get into this still? It's about to open. Oh, you know what? I set my pause here. Good morning, Bandits. Drop those GMs in the chat if you haven't already. Just that like button. Thanks for joining, everybody. Happy Thursday. Ah, Happy Thursday to you. Morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're just getting started here. Whew. What a day yesterday. I'll tell you what. Interest rate cuts, jet fuel for the market. Truly jet fuel for the market. Are you crazy right now? Interest rate cuts? Are you out of your mind, Jerome Powell? Are you out of your cabeza? Must be outside your cabeza at the moment. Wow, 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 wow. Absolutely outside of your cabeza at the moment. Are you kidding me right now? Can we get some bamboo here is the question. Push down, make a new low at least. Good way to do it. This is crazy. Oh, the PA is just absolutely wild at the moment. Pick up our anyone's low. Here we go. This is absolutely wild. Like pure trading range right now. Like I feel like I gotta like short again here. All right. You're still like in a trade now? All right. All right. I lost that first trade. I was trying to make a new low. It is what it is. Became absolute trading range right there. So sick. Top of a trading range, perhaps? Something like this. Buy low, sell high, scalp. Buy low, sell high, scalp. Maybe. I don't like the bounce of the 20 EMA right now. Can we get out? Is a question. I can't really get hit here. The volatility is absolutely insane right now. Can we calm down just a moment? One time. Absolutely breaking out right now. Trying to take advantage of the fact that we were in trading range price action, and I can come out break even if it breaks out like that, because of the trading range price action earlier on. So sick. So sick. Crazy. Everyone, calm down right now. This is crazy price action. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everyone's doing amazing here. A lower low, possibly? Good trade here. Back into our trading range. Or we're just gonna super strong bull trend. Yep. Trading ranges. No follow through on any bar right now. Wow. So sick. I don't know. This is wild. This is kind of scary to me, to be honest. Just breaking out here. In the trading range. Till proven otherwise. Jeez Louise. Pandas, I'm sorry, this is crazy. This is crazy. We just started the day off with just a negative 470 profit loss. Jeez Louise. We're just trading one contract today. The volatility is so crazy. One contract is way more than enough for every trade. I think we're talking about like $25 swings, 25 point swings right now. Buy low, sell high, scalp. Currently, that's what it feels like. It's actually long. Lots of overlapping bars. This is about to break out here. What are we doing? What are we thinking here, Panis? Oh my gosh. You gotta love it. You gotta love when that happens. I think I'm in a trade. I think I'm good here. I think I'm good here. No clue. I'm out. Another reversal. Big trading ranges. Big old trading ranges. Yeah, just not that bad. Okay. Pandas, I'm telling you, drop a GM in the chat. Turtle Toes, good morning. Welcome to the stream. This is the price action is crazy right now. It's very volatile. I love it. I love it. At the same time, I hate it because this is kind of scary. Hey, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Uh-huh. We have here. This is crazy. 5 minutes just completely overlapping bars. The wow, fair enough. This made me want to go short here, but we're above the 20 MA, so I just kind of held back. Now middle of the trading range. Middle of the trading ranges. Overlapping bars, tons of them. Telling you there are tons of overlapping bars. Hmm. Mm-hmm. It's literally like training range. Complete two complete overlapping bars. Gilbert Medina. These are good. My TPT right now, no. Right now I'm trading Apex accounts. TPT, I'm like on and off with TPT at the moment. Well, the thing about TPT is like I trade them very aggressively. Wow. I mean, this is overlapping as you can get. Just sitting on pause here. I don't know. I mean, bottom of the trading range is the first 5 minute candle. We could bounce back up here. You should buy low, sell high scalp, in my opinion, at the moment. But this move down is so strong. Think, wow. I mean, that you might be convinced we're in a downtrend at the moment. Maybe convinced. We got a gap to fill in the regular trading hours. Yeah, TBT is like, for me, extra money. Anything extra. But right now, we're going to like completely focus on Apex and just absolutely kill it here. Buy low, sell high scalp. Do I have the cojones to try? Do I have the cojones to try here? Buy low, sell high scalp. Thank you. Lows. Harness. Okay. So sick. So sick. Just hanging out here. Too hard to tell at the moment if 5 minute is choppy. We got two overlapping bars, but we got fall through on this bear bar ending on its low. And this is a strong bear bar ending on its low. It could be a downtrend. Lower high. Still lower highs, lower lows being created. You, Medina, proud of me. I appreciate it. Yeah, trading wise, best year ever. Absolutely killing it, making over, $200,000 this year on like Apex alone. And it's amazing. It's amazing. So TPT, everything made TPT is just the cherry on top, you know what I mean? I'm looking for a million. That's my next goal. We're looking for a million Pandas. We're looking for $1 million payout. That's what we're looking for. That's the goal. I mean, we made 200,000. I mean, is million that much harder? Is a million that much harder, Pandas? Is it really? Our secret weapon is going to be learning training ranges. That's going to be our secret weapon. Once we learn that, we're going to be absolutely unstoppable. I've been practicing. I've been really practicing training ranges, trying to recognize them and trading accordingly. But it's basically buy low, sell high, scout. Could- We can just the Bears could win here, the Bulls can concede. We could just be in a strong downtrend. Be absolutely patient here, waiting for my setup. We don't get it here. I'm just going short. We don't get it here. I'm just going short. Fuck it on the top. Here it is. Gilbert Medina, but Gilbert Medina, I appreciate it. I appreciate your support. It means a lot to me, especially in a day in a world where nobody supports you, especially when it comes to trading. Everyone's against you. It's kind of crazy. It's like the one industry where like people like hope for your failure. It's crazy. But I'll tell you what, every goal I've set when it comes to trading, I have reached. It's a matter of time. Every goal I have set, I have absolutely reached. All thanks to your support. Round two, let's see. Ah, darn. Being a little aggressive on the double contract there, I think. Yeah, being a little aggressive there. A little bit aggressive. I don't want to risk too much here. I think the contract scale in and be okay here. Really think I can scale in and be okay here, but how deep of a pullback I'm willing to hold? How deep of a pullback am I willing to hold here? I think I could survive this if I just let's see how deep of a pullback I'm willing to hold here. All right. Everything's like for me coming out break even just because the pullbacks are so deep. We're getting such a deep pullbacks, unfortunately. Like I thought we are just strong downtrend, but the pullbacks are so deep, and now I'm just coming out break even. I felt confident we were still in a downtrend, but now bulls are making money here, right? Bulls can make money with this scalp. In fact, they made almost 30 points. Crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. When bulls are making 30 points, you have to, your ears have to perk up a little bit, saying, for a downtrend, bulls are making 30 points. Something's happening. A random person, random place to reverse here if we were to reverse. Buy low, sell high scalp situation at the moment, possibly. Or we are reversing back up. I mean, I think it's safe to say we're outside of the trading range earlier from earlier on. This is such a strong push up. Maybe we're not. 5 minute, maybe just retracing. The first 15-minute bar is bearish. And they'll follow through. First 15-minute bar, right? If you think about the first 15-minute bar, it basically opens here, closes here. Strong bear bar in the 15-minute candle. The first three candles make up the 15-minute candle. Ooh, feels like it's a short. Not in the place I would like it though, to be honest. Not in the place I would like it. I would reverse it here if we can get something nice. It's not a good place for a failed second entry. At the same time, not a good place to go short. You got bull breakout. I don't know. Just sitting my pause. Not sure what to do here. Jeez, what a move back. I thought we were safe from the trading range, but trading range price action continues here. So sick. I mean, we're talking about a trading range. That's just humongous today. Like this is what we're talking about at the moment. This is the length of our trading range. You can easily come back up here now. Oh, this is crazy, Panis. Truly crazy. Look at this. Strong bear bar ending on low, no follow through. Strong bull bar ending on high. Follow through. And the trading range could be the first 20-minute candle, really. Think about it. Trading range could be this. This is a bull breakout, so you're not going short. Perfect measured move reversal. Mhm. What's our measure move here? If we were to find one. Here, I don't know. Alright, what up? How up? Just a huge move up and down. Curious to see if we're gonna be in a trading range. Such a strong move up. You're thinking like we gotta go long. You're thinking you gotta go long, but look to the left. You basically had a big down, big up, which is a perfect recipe for trading range starting to develop here. We haven't quite reached the top of it, so there's still more room to go and scalp here. I wouldn't really swing. I would scalp my next trade. Second entry long. Mm, signal bar. Hate everything about this trade. It's not close to support. Pulling in air. Lots of overlap bars right here. I hate everything about this trade, actually. One thing I like about it is there's enough room for a scalp, and the risk is quite small. And you're going with currently with trend, short-term trend here. Both back down strong. Yuck. 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 Yucky. That is some disgusting price action right now. That's absolutely filthy. Filthy. Yuck. It's vile. That's absolutely vile right now. We're going long. We don't care. That is vile price action. Absolutely. This filth. So filthy. Let's go ahead and make the H4. Why not? Strong bull bar hands high. Come out to 20 MA. Trying to go long here. At least we're a little scalpy. Scalpy do. Risk is small, so that's what I like about this trade. It's H4 setting up. Hmm. Go again at the reversal of the H4. Go again one more time here. But I like it to have a decent signal bar. See, the signal bar gotta wait for it. So that's why I did a hold. Trading range day. Big down, big up. And we didn't even get to the top of the trading range this time. Couldn't get there. Terrible signal bar. Yucky, that's vile. I'm glad my risk was very small in that trade. That's why I went with two. Yeah, very small. Hmm. I don't know what to do here. To be honest, I'm not sure what to do here. I'm gonna go short here. That's kind of disgusting. I'm gonna try to go short here. Top of the range back to the bottom of the trading range, perhaps. Mm, mm, mm. And I'll finish. Yikes. Yeah, I'm dead. I'll break even if I can at that point. Not sure what I'm looking at here. Not entirely sure what I'm looking at here. Kind of disgusting. I mean, it feels like triangles start to form here. Big old triangle. Let's just say at this point, I'm a bit confused. I'm just a bit confused right now. Well, good skunk. Very good skunk, in fact. Very, very good skunk, in fact. Skunk is when you get out of a trade early because you don't like what you see. Because it's stinky. It's super stinky, so you get out. You smell something fishy and you're like, this is get out of this trade. Bouncing off the top of the triangle? They don't say. Hmm. Health, trading range. Down 7 hundo because the trading range chopped us up a little bit. It's all good. I think we're managing our trades well. All about execution now. Trading range days, what's hard is the execution aspect of it. Okay, big push up. Sure, why not? Why not? If it's like a short, I'll be interested because it's like entry long with a 5 minute chart. We can get the fail signature short. I doubt we will get it though, but we can hope here. We can hope here. Still hope. We're still hoping for something. Trading range day, it's not warranted. It's not recommended to go long at the top of a trading range on trading range day. It's not warranted whatsoever. Definitely not warranted, but this looks bullish right now at the moment. I don't think I can get a piece of it though. It's gonna run away without me, huh? Runaway train. Bye bye. There it is. Yeah, that's a pop up I was looking for. Really, just very top of the train. Well, let me show you the 5 minute chart. It looks very bullish. Look how strong these small bars are. It looks very bullish for the top of a potential trading range, but it looks bullish enough to break out. Bull bar, strong bull bars, bam, bam, bam. No, this is showing signs of always in long trading. Top of a trading range potentially here. Oh, this looks really bullish though. This looks like it can break out. Um, okay, second long, perhaps. I mean, dare I, at the top of a potential trading range, dare I just go long right here? Like, it doesn't make sense. I should be one short. Absolutely be one short here. Absolutely be one short here. But it's so small, the risk here. Like, and the potential breakout could be big. So I'm just like, let's just try. Let's just try. I mean, the risk is so small. But the potential breakout could be huge. Let's find out, pandas. Let's absolutely do find out. Okay, they pop up. I can protect myself now. It's far enough, isn't it? It's only 5 points away. I have to let it cook a little bit longer here. Cook a little bit longer here. There you go. I think now it's okay to come out with your risk. Take a risk off. Okay, nice little pop up. Let's jump over anyone's high. Made a new high. I think I hold. Hold. Hold forever. Until you get a reversal, huh? Hold forever until you get a reversal, eh? Maybe $1,000 would be good. First reversal down, I'll take it out. But otherwise, we just hold. We'll squeeze every inch out of this trade. All right, we're good. Around 35 now. It just looks really bullish. Doesn't it look bullish? These strong bull bars ending on their highs. Second entry long. It just looked kind of bullish to me. But we are in a potential trading range, big down, big up. So there was risk there, but the risk was so small. Like, how much did I risk in that trade? I was willing to risk 5 points, less than 6 points, to gain like 16 points. I mean, it's 3x your risk. Great, amazing risk reward trade there. 3x the risk reward. So sick. Great trade. Higher low. Doesn't keep going up. Why not? Could possibly be always in long here after another strong bull bar. I could try. I could try. I could try here, but no. Just bought for always in long trade, hopefully. We'll see. I'm in always in long trade. We'll see. Just so it's tough. Always in long trading is always tough in my opinion. Let's just say if it was always in long, this is where I would do it. Right now we're breaking above. Right, we're breaking above here. So potential scalp to the upside, in my opinion. Hmm. We are green right now. I mean, a higher low, I'll go long again. Why not? Just keep adding onto this position here. Just keep adding onto this position. Every new high. Every time it breaks the previous candle's low, let's just add to the position and see if we can squeeze more out of this. Okay. Now our break evens here, it's fine. Break evens here now, so it's all good. No. I mean, that's a good trade, Panis. That's a good trade. Isn't it a good call? Always in long trading right now. Beautiful trade. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Still always in long. NQ, like you buy here at the close of this bar, you buy at the break, you buy at the bottom of this bar. You just buy, buy, buy until you're no longer convinced this is always in long. What a trade, huh? What a magnificent trade, actually. The top. Perfect right there. Jeez, what a trade. What a trade, Panos. We're at 700 now. 700, absolutely. We're just always in long. There's nothing telling us we're not always in long right now. Second entry long. Could be a good trade here. Second entry long. Still always along on the 5 minute. Again, small risk here. We're just going with trends. Small risk here. Just trying to scalp at this point. Beautiful. Easy peasy. Just a 10-point scalp. I'll take it. We're up 900. Easy peasy. And the 5 minute, guess what? Always in long. The moment it closes, it gets bought up. The moment this closes, gets bought up. The moment this closes, gets bought up. Got 3 bars always in long currently. This is just insane. Like nothing is stopping you from just buying here. Nothing is stopping you from buying. So, crazy, 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 crazy. This PA is crazy. One second, guys. Another second entry long coming up to 20 EMA and a massive uptrend. Multiple bear bars in a row here. Hmm. Second entry long, not a good follow through though. Still think bulls are in full control here though. I still think bulls are in absolute full control in this uptrend. I think they're still full control here. Call me crazy. Call me crazy. I think bulls are still in full control here, pandas. Call me crazy. I think bulls are still in full control here. If it does reverse, you could probably scale in. Call me crazy. I think they're still in full control here. Call me crazy. Absolutely call me crazy right now. Call me crazy if you want to. I think they're absolutely in full control still. Easy, easy. Hmm. Weird. Wow. Going completely sideways at the moment, but it's kind of a triangle. I mean, I still think that's a good trade right there to go along. It's a mighty fine trade, actually. I should be long here, actually. Sorry, I was a little bit distracted. I was looking at something else. Made a new high. That was a good trade. Made a new high. Hmm. It's a bit distracted. Not gonna lie. A bit distracted. It's all good. 1,000 here. Kept scalping this uptrend, always in long. As you can tell, even when this bar closed, always in long. The bulls are still in full control here. Until they realize they're not. This could be signs that they're weakening, but still very strong control the bulls have. Very strong. Can start turning into a channel soon. Essentially breakout and not channeling. I was a little bit distracted. Spiking channel. You got to pay attention when bears start making money. Bears made money here. Some bears made some money here. Right now it's flying though. So bulls in full control. 5 minute again, always in long trading. The moment spark closes, just gets bought up. Still always in long trading. I should just be going long here. I have noticed though, I'm not like super eager to go always in long because of the fact that we're starting to turn to a channel. But those who are going always in long are pretty happy at the moment. Right? They're making at least looking for at least 10 points. They got their 10 points. Stopping right there. Jeez Louise. I mean, if you can make 10 points like that, then sure. Why not take it? What a day, Pandas. Just what a absolute insane day. Like, this is beautiful price action. I love it. I'm trading pretty conservatively too, to be honest. I'm trading pretty conservatively, in my opinion. Very low, but bears are starting to show some signs of strength, right, with these bear bars now. Again, the channel. I'm expecting this to start channeling soon. Very confused. Whoa, like I said, bears are showing their faces, right? They're rearing their ugly little heads. Gotta be careful when you see bears making money right here. Do I still think bulls are in control? Yes, but now bears are here. So the bears are making money. You gotta realize there's two-sided trading going on. You can no longer be super confident in your bull trades. At a certain point in time, also that 5 minute will touch the 20 MA. So maybe we can have deep pullback here potentially. I don't know. You're bouncing out the bottom of the channel, easy peasy. I see it as this currently, but curious to see what happens here. We're gonna push down further. How much further are we pushing down here? Could be very telling. I personally think people will be the buying at the bottom of this bar. So I think, I mean, second too long. This is ugly as it can't get uglier than that, but that is a second too long. You really can't get uglier than that, to be honest. That's one of the ugliest second entry longs I've seen in a long time. If it's ugly, don't take it. Like, I'm just thinking 5 minute candle. People will buy at the bottom of this candle and come out at the top of this candle. So I'm thinking will happen. So this might have one more push down. I think this needs one more push down, actually. I think And that's both are still in full control. Always in long again. But now we're starting to have a channel, as you can see. Um, hmm. Question is, will we break out of the channel or we're going to respect the channel? Acknowledge this channel. We'll see. It looks like it's acknowledging it. Buy low, sell high, scalp. That's what I'm thinking. As a bull, you can scalp or swing. As a bear, you can scalp and also probably just lose money. I don't know if you even want a wide stop for if you're a bear. Higher low. Do you want more money here? Am I looking for more money here, Venus? It's like entry long on an uptrend, but top of a potential channel. Now things are getting confusing, if you know what I mean. Things are getting quite confusing. If you ask me, things are getting quite confusing. Okay. Doesn't trigger. Doesn't give me the second entry long. Gives me a higher low. Not be scared of a long. Oh, you simply cannot be scared of a long. Jeez, breaking out another. Always in long here on the 5 minute. Like, I'm about to just go long anywhere, everywhere. But every time I feel this way, I always lose money. So I'm just gonna just miss the whole uptrend. I don't mind. Jeez Louise. Every time I feel this way, I always lose money. I get FOMO'd into the trade and I just FOMO'd into the trend and I just get destroyed. But bulls are making money like we haven't had one pullback yet. As in we haven't broken the previous candle's low yet in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars. We got like 2 more bars to go till we feel like, all right, we're really gonna have a big pullback here. Screw it. I'm not just go long. Whatever. I'll find the top. Trust me. If you don't think I can find the top, if you don't think I can go long at the top, you are mistaken. I have an impeccable ability to go long at the very top, at the tippity tippity top. I have impeccable ability. It might be my superhuman power, super panda power, to be honest. Dare I? Dare I? I shan't. I shan't. I shall not. I shan't. I was about to just go long there. Like I said, I was about to just go long right here. I have impeccable ability to find the top, to go long at the top. Trust me, I can do it. If you don't believe me, just watch. Pull back to the 20 MA. I may just go along here, just for funsies. For some funsies here. First entry off the 20 MA. Variable signal more. You would have to be a madman to go along here. You would have to be absolutely mad to go along there. We might finally get a pullback on the 5-minute chart. As in, we might break a previous candle's low. Does not mean that the bears are in control here. But again, bears are making money here. Bears made money here. Bears made money here. Bears are making some bamboo. Bears who went short at the top of this candle went short again here and now come out break even or even may come out break even on this trade, on this first trade. I still have a hard time to figure out to go short, justify shorting at the moment. I mean, we are in this channel potentially, and we had an overshoot, might lead to an undershoot. Could easily do so. Just watch. Overshoot to undershoot. Mhm. But at this point, I'll readjust it like this. We finally have a pullback, our first pullback on the 5-minute chart. It's just one pullback. Give me nothing. We need more candles to figure out what's going to happen here. Still feel like you're in a place where you can buy and like buy low, sell high, scalp. I still feel like you're in a place to do that. It's hard to buy when your price action looks this strong, right? As a bear, if it looks that bearish, it's hard just to go long, just willy nilly. Okay, I feel like I gotta wait till at least it touches the trend line, like bare minimum, touch the trend line before I even consider going long here. I feel like bare minimum, I need to touch the bottom of the channel for me to consider going long here. Break a new low. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. I need to at least touch this trend line. before I even consider going long, in my opinion. Okay, that's just trying to. It's a bare minimum requirement I need to go long here. And it's not even like just long. It's like I'm gonna look for a long and scale in wide stop. You know what I mean? Like even if it triggers and reverses down, I'm still gonna look. I want to scale in, and at least hopefully come up break even. That's the idea here. Yep. And I have the scalp. I'll say middle of the trading range. 10 points would be great. Feels like entry long, possibly here. Could be a good reversal trade to go short. But I still feel strongly that we can come up break even here at any point in time. So I feel at least. I don't know though if it's true. It's a good follow through bar, good entry bar, right? Good trigger bar, good entry bar. That's what you want to see if you're in a short trade. You want to see an entry bar like that. Very confident I can come up break even here eventually. I'm very confident I can, but maybe my confidence is unfounded here. Reversal attempt here. Hmm, 17. Oh boy. Oh, I went to 17 contracts by accident on that last trade. I went 15 contracts by accident. Oh boy. I hope I don't get dinged there. I accidentally went 17 contracts on that last trade. I don't know. I might get dinged there. I think they allow you to do it quickly and get in and get out. I realize I made a mistake, but we're up $2,000 now. I'll take it. I made a boo-boo for sure. I was just trying to come up break even, but I went in too many contracts. I guess we'll call it a day. I think Apex allows you to make that mistake one time. I think they allow you to make that mistake. I believe they do. And if they don't, then hopefully I can just I'll have to get dinged on the payout, unfortunately. I made a boo-boo. And I'm making good bamboo there actually. Like I said, if I didn't accidentally go on like however many contracts, like we've been fine. We would be able to come out break even on that first trade, made money here, made money here. So we're gonna reverse all the way back up. It's a good question, not sure. Bulls still can be in control here, but they definitely gotta recognize bears are here as well now. It was just a bounce off the 20 EMA, that's why I bought there. On the 2500 tick chart. I mean, we're up 1900. Is there any more reason to trade today? I think being up 1900 is like pretty darn good. See, we buy low, sell high, scalp. We just scalp there. We're not trying to hold for a swing, just scalp there. We get out when we're happy. It's got like 10 points at least. Yeah, fair enough. TJ Cry says, how much can I lose or win on a day or one trade on 250K? That's a loaded question. You can win. What's the threshold on the 250K? The threshold 250K, I believe, is what is it? What 6,000? How much is it? Yeah, how much it was. I gotta look at it. I haven't traded 250K accounts in a while. Right. Does not tell you right away. Oh, okay, I can find it. Here it is. Both charts. Is it the same? Trade threshold 6,500. Oh, 300K is 7,500. Interesting. 250K is 6,500, so that's your number you gotta play with. So 6,500. Depends on what your goal is, but the most you can lose in any one trade before getting dinged is $1,950. That's one trade loss. If you lose more than $1,950 on one single trade, then they'll ding you for the negative 30% consistency rule. For the positive, also, like I said, depends on what your goal is. If your goal is to make payouts at the minimum amount of payouts, then you just need, 6,600, and then you just multiply that point three. So you can make as much as 1980 per trade or per day. If you want to withdraw at the absolute minimum, which is $100 over the threshold amount, which is 6,600. If you want to withdraw the maximum you can withdraw is, let's see, now you gotta dig in deep to find this information. It's kind of annoying. So you gotta like look at you gotta go to frequently asked questions. Say max payout. Let's say, ooh, I like this. I like this trade here. Good signal bar to go short, but I'm going long here, Pandas. We're absolutely going long here. Again, is there much reason for me to trade here, though? Is a question. Any reason for me to keep trading today? Let's just take the hit. Move on, next trade. Thank you very much. I'll take the hit. All right, I think we're done. All right, pandas. Second. Let me just answer this question. Someone asked in chat. The max payout you can pull out is $3,000. So from the $3,000, then you need 600 plus 3,000, then times that point three. The most you can make is $2,880 if you're trying to get max payouts. Our pandas. I think that's it for today. Yeah, market's getting crazy now, so it is what it is. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. We absolutely killed it today. And I mean, we end on an L, but how much did we lose in that trade? 8 points, whatever. Good try. Maybe failed signature short on a possible reversal at the bottom of a channel. I'll take that. All right, Penis. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day. As always, have a trading God bless. Bye.